Everyone knows the placebo effect. The placebo effect is where you get a therapeutic benefit out of a drug or treatment or otherwise that is not considered to have any therapeutic benefit to it. It's an inert substance. For example, it might be a sugar pill that somebody tells you or you think might treat, pain. And as a result of taking this sugar pill, you actually have a reduction in pain. So placebo is a very well-known phenomenon. This is why they do double-blinded placebo-controlled trials to see what the actual therapeutic effect of the drug is and what the actual placebo effect or potential placebo effect of a drug is. A nocebo is where it's kind of the opposite of that, where you get a harmful effect from an inert treatment, subject, pill, whatever it may be, that actually has no negative effects biologically. So nocebo effects refer to new or worsening symptoms that develop in response to negative health-related information, beliefs, and or experiences.